All right, guys, welcome back to Cooking with Ash. Remember our mission, cooking 5 days worth of food, lunch and dinner for a family of 4 for £25. Hashtag 5 for 25. Lunchtime, we're making arancini balls with our leftover risotto. Let's do it. All right, guys, we've got leftover risotto. I've balled it up, golf ball size. Doing this is nice and easy. If you need to, just wet your hands. It helps a lot. Keep your hands clean. Got a paneing station set up, so flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, some of our chili jam, some of our rocket, and some Parmesan. We're gonna make some arancini balls now. What we need to do is get these bad boys breadcrumbed. So, nice and easy. What we try and do is keep our hands one dry, one wet. Rolled in flour. Dust off into the egg. Change hands. Drip into the breadcrumb. Change back. And there we go. Now what that does is help keep our hands nice and clean. If you mix up the egg, the breadcrumbs and flours, you just end up with these giant cake fingers, which nobody really wants.
Repeat this process until your balls are completely covered.
Deep fat fryer, about 180, and we're gonna just fry in maybe 2 batches, maybe 3 batches, depending on how big it is. If you don't have a deep fat fryer, the alternative way is to have a pan full of oil. You have to be really, really careful with this. Obviously, you don't want to overheat it because that's, danger of a fire. Have a little look, check online on YouTube. Plenty of ways on there just to help you safely do that, all right? Let's do this. Taken in batches. My fryer's a little bit bigger, so I'm going to do them in 2 batches and just gently drop into the fryer. These are going to fry for about 3 minutes or until they're brown. We're going to get them out, get them on a tray, get them in the oven for a few minutes. Arancini balls have had their time in the oven. Let's get them out. Let's see what they're like. Booyah! They look and smell really, really good.
Make a nice bed of sweet chili for your tasty balls to sit on. Add some rocket and finish with Parmesan and a splash of the sunblush tomato oil.
And there we go. Pea arancini balls, chili sauce, rocket, Parmesan. That is bloody delicious. Let's tuck in. This is going to be so hot. So hot. Oh. Oh, those arancini balls are really, really good. Next time, broccoli pasta with sausage meatballs. See you then.